What's happening, guys? Tim Kreitz here, Tim Kreitz Adventures. Me, Cliff, and Britt are doing our annual ride down to the Texas Hill Country, and you might notice that I'm on a little bit different machine than usual. It's a BMW F800 GT. Why am I riding this? Stick around and find out. Well, here we are once again in Fredericksburg, Texas, on our annual Hill Country ride, headed for the Willow City Loop. It'll be something pretty interesting for you guys to see. It's a private road that the owner allows motorcyclists and motorists to drive down to look at the spring wildflowers, particularly in this part of Texas, bluebonnets. All right, so to the business at hand. Why am I on a BMW F800 GT? Well, this motorcycle is Cliff's wife's motorcycle. She hasn't been able to ride very much due to some physical ailments over the past year or so, and offered to let me bring her bike on this trip this year to put some miles on it, charge the battery, shake it out a little bit, which I was blessed and happy to do. This is a great little sport touring motorcycle. It's actually much more touring than sport. It's Rotax powered. It has belt drive, has great suspension, it sails through corners, and I've been really pleased with it. I'll be kind of talking about this motorcycle on the regular throughout this video, I think, as I think of little things I like and don't like about it, but I tell you, I mostly like it. Actually, I really like it. I know it's a dad jeans bike, but I don't care. I guess, you know, I'll be 50 this year, so maybe it's time for some dad jeans in my life. I don't know. Alright, look, it's the Tim Kreitz Ranch. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Bluebonnets, O'Malley. All these bluebonnets people are going to be out getting the shot. They're getting the shot, boys. Get the shot. Plenty of power, about 90 horsepower from the Rotax Parallel Twin. Nice linear torque curve. Plenty of top end power. I'm impressed with it, I'll tell you that. Never ridden one of these before. And you guys, if you follow my channel, you know I'm a big fan of parallel twins. 2 of my 3 bikes have parallel twin engines. Here's more people getting the shot. Get the shot. We'll find a good spot to pull over and I'll get some good shots of the bluebonnets. We're riding through them right now. They're just glowing violet. So beautiful. So Texas. Jim, do you know if it was a bike crash or a car crash? Or
I suspect somebody ran off the edge of the road.
Yeah, probably so. Looks like we'll be here for a little while because the road is blocked and closed until they can clear all this out. Wow. How long have you guys been waiting here? Oh, okay, so not very long. Apple a day.
You want one?
No, I'm good. That's a good looking apple though, even though you've gnawed on it in a very ugly way. Whether you're on a bike or whether you're not on a bike, that is not the way you want to leave the Willow Loop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Warm up here for just a few minutes.
Okay.
I'm freezing.
Yeah, dude, I gotta cool down. I gotta get off the bike so I can get some air on me. This is a great bike, man. I can't believe how efficiently it deals with aerodynamics. And thank goodness for that tape that you put on that, because I can still feel engine heat coming through that. Yeah. That is one of the downsides of this bike, is that you can't, not only does it keep almost all the wind off of you, especially with this Puig screen you've got on here, but then you have the engine heat coming up on as well, and I just, it's like I'm overdressed underneath all my gear.
Fine good morning pic this morning.
Oh, is it like that one you sent when we were on tour and you were completely naked in front of the mirror doing the chicken? Which I still have.
It was pretty close.
Well, as soon as I get service, get someplace where I have service, I'm sure I'll enjoy that wonderful sight. Come on, sunshine. It's trying. Trying out?
Yeah. Trying to dry that motor off a little bit.
Yeah.
You can ride over to Fort McCavitt.
Yeah. Back. There is a Masonic Lodge at Fort McCavitt.
Yeah. Well, we could do that. Or say to hell with it. Go to the Pecos High Bridge and be back at 9:30 tonight.
Yeah, we'd be back late, that's for sure. I wonder if it rained down there near the Mexican border down there at Comstock.
Probably. It looked like that from the radar. It looked like it was raining everywhere.
That would be a 300-mile day if we did that.
With a late start.
With a late start, yeah.
That doesn't really sound appealing, does it?
No, maybe not wear, we got to ride home tomorrow, so maybe not wear ourselves completely out today.
Yeah.
Pick something a little easier.
So, Fort McCavitt is what you're saying.
That sounds good to me. That was not bad at all.
Okay, I don't think everybody agrees with you.
I think only 66.67% of the riding group agrees with that.
I almost couldn't make that turn on there because my arms wouldn't move.
Oh, jeez.
Man, look how fast those clouds are moving.
Yeah. The upshot is that we will be moving in the direction the clouds are moving on the way back, so maybe it won't be as miserable. The old officer quarters just not what they used to be.
What about April? Would it be cold in April?
Yeah, it's fucking cold in April. You suck.
It wasn't my idea. Thankfully, I'm on a BMW with a big-ass windshield and heated grips.
I thought it was
Make
gonna
you ride mine back.
I thought it was going to be better.
No deal.
I thought the weather was going to be better. But I was wrong.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not better, it's actually worse.
It's worser than it was before we left.
Yeah. Weather's gonna improve. I can feel it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Here's where we're gonna end up having to leave Britt. Rest in peace, Britt Parker. He died of frozen nuts.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
I'm pretty sure this was a bank. Check. Well, that's a photograph right there. Somebody blew a hole in it to get the loot out of it.
$73.
Yeah, I got a concrete foundation in here. What?
It's pretty awesome.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'm officially claustrophobic. Let me the fuck out of this. Awesome. I threw caution to the wind for once and it paid off. Badass. You never know what you're gonna find when you take the back roads on a motorcycle. That is the beauty of being a rider. See you guys on the next episode. Bye.
pants.
Dad jeans. Dude, the fact that you said dad pants instead of dad jeans shows that you are dad jeans.